We are all spending time at home with our families, doing our part to keep America safe. This is a time when we have fun with our families, crafting and creating together. One thing that we love to do together is painting classes. We can't go to painting parties classes right now, but we can still bring fun to our home with My Painting Party Kit. Each kit comes with everything you need. 3 canvases that have an easel, paintbrushes, and paint. The best part is My Painting Party app. Download the app and you will see all of the how-to videos that will help you create your very own art gallery. Choose from a variety of paintings from every level, beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Find My Painting Party Kit on the Choose Friendship page on Amazon, choosefriendship.com, or go to your local Friendship Factory store.